45%, and wish me luck. Please, man. Please, 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 please. Yo, hello everyone, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm recording Keydrop. I have 1.7k on my balance. So before I start with case battles, guys, if you're looking for best promo code, best bonus on Keydrop, just click deposit in top right corner in a promo code box, enter code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On the left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by everything. You can pay by skins, Visa card, crypto, gift cards and more. Also you can click on get free. You can click on free gold, scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. Easy steps, guys. You can like Keydrop on Facebook for 8 golds. You can join on Keydrop Steam group for 10 golds. You can follow Keydrop on Instagram for 19 golds and more. Let's scroll and claim golds. Keydrop you can join on tournaments, giveaways, events. You can check Galactic War event. You can do case battles, case opening with Galactic War cases. I'll try with Starfleet case. I'll try with one. Let's see, can we pull profit? Okay, we can't. Let's try with 3 more. 3 more, $15. Come on. Okay, that's bullshit. Okay, let's start with $450 case battle. 3 knives cases, and let's see, we need bullshit skins only here because it's underdog mode. We need only bad knives. He need to pull something better. 179, 179. Okay, same shits. Alright. Alright, I'm winner. 1.1k. Oh my god. At start 1.1k. 6 knives, that's nice. Okay, $250 case battle, only 5 cases, and let's see. First pull, Prince Ruined Eagle, $44, well worn. Come on, we need something better, something better. Imagine one fade knife, Bowie knife fade. 3 more cases left. Can we hit profit? He led with $114. Okay, 2 more left. That's bullshit. Okay, that's GG. Unlucky. Okay, only knives case battles, guys. 2 knives cases, $300. Let's try with bot and let's see, can we win this? This case battle, $87. Okay. Alright, it's a win. Alright. Only $5 lead, but I won this case battle. Okay, new knives case battle. Only 1 case. 160, and yeah, that's GG. That's GG. Okay, I'll try with case opening. 3 new knives cases, $480, and let's see. Okay, that's so bad. $241. Alright guys, I have 30 knives, so let's try with upgrade. I'll start with 2x. Okay, looks good. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Nah, unlucky. Let's try with 2 knives now. Huntsman knife, tiger tooth. Keep, please keep. Okay, all in 2x, guys. I'll try with Karambit tiger tooth. 45%, and wish me luck. Please, man. Please, 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 please. Alright, knife. 1.5k. 1.5k Karambit tiger tooth. That's fucking nice. That's fucking nice. Guys, click deposit in top right corner, enter promo code Razor Affiliate in a promo code box and just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Don't forget to follow me on my Kick Razor affiliate. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter Razor affiliate for daily live streams, daily giveaways, and more content. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.